So I have now officially assembled as much as I could, and I realized belatedly when I looked at step 3, those lights are facing backwards, so I have now got those lights facing backwards. I had to bore out the hole and nudge it right up against the thing, but it works. Both silver hoses are in place. This one just goes that way. That is in place. Now, the other one hasn't, because I've accidentally cut off its knob, so I'm going to have to figure out how it sits there. This is too long to fit on there, and yet have it upside down when it's time to put on the wind. You don't want to risk that either. So that's it. Let me get it from the back. I think I can set it down now. Let's set it on its box. I want to have it on its actual box, so because we don't want to damage the front of the box. So there it is from the side. There it is from the back. There it is from the left side. And here it is from the front. Now, of course, the front's probably going to have a license plate decal or two put in place. And of course, you're going to want to spruce up the red there, but you see the silver is hand brushed. These are facing front. The air tanks are in place. This is in place. As you see, it's about as flat as it should be. That should be like that. This is the highest point, so it can be upside down to put in the windshield. Oh, and what I had to do, this stripe sticker came off, so I model cement, very thin model cement underneath. Same as I had to do somewhere else. But that is the assembly of the ECTO-1, as much as I could do anyway. And if you look at part 1, step 1, you can now see that it is fully complete. So now I can highlight it blue all around the border. And I know the blue highlighter is running out of juice. And this piece still is a problem. Try to attach again, because that piece is still a problem. But you see, the wider part was pointing back the whole time. That was not the blue part. See? Wider part. Luckily it worked. I was able to attach it. Yes, I could put those stickers or decals. Sticker or decal. Sticker or decal. Sticker. Sticker. Now, does that mean it's only a sticker? Well, look. I guess some of them was a decal. Look at that. But, oh well, look. See? Decal, decal. What is that? Those must be the center of the wheels. Oh yes. Don't forget to circle that. Or decal. Okay. Good. 3 of them. 1 back door, each front door. License plates and the 4 in the center of the wheel. So you have stickers or decals. You can take your pick there. These are the remaining pieces. So you have the big central piece, and the one that I sanded down, which still has to go on somehow. The big tall piece with its spires, which you don't want to damage, and the 4 screws. Now it goes around here. The big tall spire one, and the other one fits over there. So that's good. So I guess the next step really is to put the windshield in place. And I've already tested with the bumpers on. It does fit there. And if you look at the body of the car, you can see the 4 holes where the screws go. And if you turn the body upside down, you can see those should be screw holes there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you are. Okay. So the ECTO-1 is as complete as I can get it. This thing fits like that. You still need to do some colored buttons in here. You've done the white screens at least. The dashboard is as silver as it can be. So you don't need to do anything more with that. There's the jump seat that is stationary on this version, but it goes out to the floor mat and then out to the side in the Afterlife movie. So I'm quite pleased with the ECTO-1. See how it's wedged in place there? That's probably where you glue it. Alright, so there's nothing more to do on the ECTO-1 tonight. I've taken it as far as I can, assembling all the accessories. Doesn't leave me much to do on Saturday at Mom and Dad's house, but let's see if I can get some good backdrop pictures with the box at least. It's the car loosely fit together. As you can see, it's actually bigger than the image on the box. So we've got the side picture. Let's go for the others. There's the back picture. And from above, and from the back, and the right side, from the side, and from the top, and the front, from the top, and from the front itself. Okay, so that's good. The ECTO-1 is as close to done as it can be until I take it to my parents' house. And let's just take a close look here for 1 minute. The screw holes look like they line up perfectly. So that's excellent. Okay. So that's it for now. That's all for the ECTO-1. And we'll see you here maybe Sunday evening when it's fully complete and I can summarize what I've done. And then maybe, just maybe, I can present it on Monday after the audit. Bye-bye.